So now we'll compare the two main types of biostimulatory or collagen fillers. Ellanse is a biostimulatory fillers from Europe, so it's got CE certification, whereas Sculptra is from the US, so it's got the US FDA certification. So ingredient for Ellanse, it actually has two types of ingredient. One is the CMC gel, which is biodegradable and temporary. The other is the active ingredient known as the PCL or polycaprolactone, which stimulates collagen. Okay, so for Ellanse, the CMC gel will immediately plump up the volume deficit area for the first 12 weeks, whilst the PCL start to stimulate collagen to produce type 1 collagen, which will then sustain the effect after that. Whereas for Sculptra, the L-polylactic acid will stimulate collagen through neocollagenesis, which is the synthesis of new collagen under the skin in the dermis, the hypodermis, such as the fat tissues, as well as even the muscle layer. This will lead to better skin texture, skin tightening and brightening. It will give a more sustained effect for 2.5 years. So Ellanse is very suitable for the busy new age woman who only have one time to do the treatment. By comparison, Sculptra gives a more gradual effect over time. So typically minimum 2 sessions up to 6 sessions might be needed to slowly stimulate the collagen to grow in a very natural and subtle way. So typically for Sculptra, we'll recommend once a month for the first 3 sessions, and subsequent ones can be 2 to 3 months apart. If you completed enough sessions up front, it can actually last you up to 2.5 years before you need new sessions. However, if you choose to do fewer sessions, then you might need to do a touch-up after a year. So Ellanse, the results is immediately and fast, which means that you'll see the result quite fast and it will peak at the 3rd month. It can last anything from 1 to 2.5 years depending on which unit is being used, whether you're using Ellanse S or Ellanse M. Whereas for Sculptra, the results is gradual over time, so typically the best results is seen around the 6th month of injection. If you have completed the full dosage of sessions recommended to you, then it can last a minimum of 27 months or 2.5 years. So for Ellanse, you treat it like any other fillers, you just do not need to touch your face after injecting. Whereas for Sculptra, there is actually a massage protocol the doctor will educate you about. It's called the protocol of 5. You should massage the injected areas for 5 days, 5 times a day for 5 minutes. And this is to help the collagen to grow better as well as to spread out the stimulated collagen growth. Therefore, Sculptra, is important that you are committed and you follow the protocol and complete it properly. Ellanse is suitable for somebody who wants to see fast effect and who wants contouring and specific small areas of correction with collagen fillers. By comparison, Sculptra is suitable for somebody who wants a gradual, natural-looking effect over time and will have a large area of volume deficit, such as maybe the entire face, the entire temples, so it is much more cost-effective for large volume loss.